You can start with using AI prompts like this. What technical issues reduce e-commerce conversions? Why do smaller online stores struggle with performance? You'll notice patterns, speed, hosting, and performance issues come up again and again. That's where the opportunity is. Right now, there's a business you could start in the next 48 hours. No product, no employees, no coding, just AI, a laptop, and a service businesses already pay for. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how I'd go from zero to landing a first client step by step. Quick disclaimer as always, this video is for educational purposes only. It's based on my experience and result will always depend on your execution, skill set, and of course the market. And also in this video, I've teamed up with Cloudways, which I'll be using as a part of the workflow I'm demonstrating in this video. So make sure you hang in this video to the very end. So I've decided we're not building a startup. We're not building an app either. We're building a lean AI-powered client services business. Something you can realistically start without a team. And the reason why I'm saying this is because too many people think that you need to raise X amount of money before you can start a business. And that is bollocks. The goal here is simple. Solve a real problem that businesses already lose money on. So we are trying to make money by solving problems for businesses. And we are dealing with businesses because it's just easier to deal with businesses and they pay more money than individual customers. So today's example is simple. Helping e-commerce brands improve their website performance and speed, because slower websites don't just look bad, they can reduce conversions, hurt your SEO rankings, and impact your user experience overall. So instead of selling something new, we're improving something that already exists within our potential clients' platforms. So this is step one. Don't start with what you like, start with where businesses are already losing money. It's all about them and not you. You can start with using AI prompts like this. What technical issues reduce e-commerce conversions? Why do smaller online stores struggle with performance? You'll notice patterns, speed, hosting, and performance issues come up again and again. That's where the opportunity is. We're going to make data-driven decisions, as I always say. We're not going to go by guesswork here. We're going to go by actual problems smaller businesses face on a daily basis. And we're going to solve those problems for those businesses. That's going to be how we generate revenue. That's going to be how we generate a profit as a business. So now it's all about validation of demand. Quickly search for small e-commerce brands. Run a basic speed test like I'm doing right now. You'll start to notice a lot of sites, especially on mobile, load slowly. This obviously doesn't guarantee that they'll become client, but it does confirm the problem exists, which means that we have a strong sales pitch to go after these potential brands with, that we are actually going to solve a problem that will affect the conversions, the leads, and etc. I just think about myself, for instance, as a customer. If I go on someone's website, if it's too slow, I'm going to walk away. That's just the honest truth. I'm going to ignore that business and probably never visit that business again. And this problem could be easily rectified if they just had looked after the speed of their website. So this is what we are going to help businesses tackle in this video with the proposition that we have at hand. So before you sell anything, build a simple system that delivers results. AI can help you with this, of course. Create audit templates, structure onboarding, write proposals, build checklists. But here's the key. Improving performance isn't just design. It's actually infrastructure as well. So we need to make sure we get all of these right from the start before we pitch anyone. Also, when you're improving speed, which is the core offering of this business potentially, you often need better hosting, staging environments, backups, and reliability. One thing that helps here is if a client is already hosted elsewhere. Cloudways offers a free migration, which makes moving sites much easier. Instead of managing servers manually, I use Cloudways to simplify that process. Why it fits: performance optimized hosting, staging environment for testing, automated backups, pay-as-you-go pricing, which means that it's flexible, more importantly. Team access, so your entire team can work on the project. So instead of acting like a freelancer doing everything manually, you can operate more like a structured service provider, which adds a professional element to it, just the way I like it. So we're not selling hosting or technical fixes here. We're selling outcomes. An example looks something like this: e-commerce speed optimization package, performance, audit, hosting, optimization, or migration. Speed improvements, of course, too. Ongoing monitoring. Pricing depends on value because performance improvements can impact revenue, but always set realistic expectations with your clients. That's really important. I have a rule: over deliver, undersell. Simple. So now we get the first client. Here's where it gets really interesting. And we get this through targeted outreach, of course. An example message will look something like what's popping up on my screen now. Hi, I ran a quick performance check on your site and noticed a few areas that may be affected affecting load speed. I help brands improve this. Happy to share a short audit if useful, simple, relevant, not pushy. This obviously delivers what I call the important message, in the sense that it tells you what's wrong with your site, it tells you how we can fix it, and it tells you when we can fix it by, right? All within one paragraph, nothing lengthy. That's just the way I like to personally read proposals that come our way. I hate people that try to be like, oh yeah, let's jump on a call. Oh yeah, here's a letter, here's another letter, here's another message, here's another message. That is just too long-winded. I like someone who can go straight to the point, tell me exactly what is wrong, and tell me how they can solve it within a paragraph. That's the correct way for salespeople, in my opinion, to deliver their pitch if they're after my business. So once the client is interested, here's a simple flow. Run an audit, show the gaps, of course, to the client, propose improvements, implement changes, test using staging, of course, we'd never test it live, launch updates, AI supports communication, and reporting. Your infrastructure handles delivery. This is how I would go about this phase. So the real takeaway here isn't just the service, it's how modern business operate. AI increases speed, systems create consistency, infrastructure enables delivery. You don't need to know everything. You need to understand how to combine the right tools. Look, if you approach business as a problem solver and focus on delivering real value, you can build something practical faster than you think. And when it comes to managing performance improvements without technical complexity, tools like Cloudways can play a role in that setup. So as we get ready to round up this video, if you would like to see more real world business builds like this, make sure you subscribe and I'll break them down step by step as always. But look, if you found this video helpful and useful, I'd really appreciate if you could smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and more importantly, tap the notification bell. I will of course see you in the next video, where we are of course going to be talking about more business, finance, and entrepreneurship.